Get chilled with Patriot Ice. We are located at 171 South Frontage Road, 775-727-6561.
I'm a grant manager at Nye Communities Coalition, and we're requesting permission to place a vending machine at the community health nurse office in Pahrump to distribute Naloxone, the overdose reversal medication, fentanyl and xylazine testing strips, Deterra bags for the disposal of prescription drugs, condoms, and pregnancy tests at no cost to the community. If approved by the Honorable Commissioners, Nye CC is committed to refilling and maintaining the machine for the foreseeable future.
So first of all, I love what Nye Communities Coalition does for us here. This particular issue, to me, just does not sit well. I mean, are we going to have a mother and her little kid walk by and the kid say, hey, can I have a candy bar? Oh, no, that's Narcan. I just don't, the thought of this is just bizarre. We have two parks that are overrun with a homeless population that we can't even use our own parks unless we have a particular event and security to make sure the homeless aren't there. There's needles in the parks. This is, I mean, are we going to have these on every corner eventually? I can't, I don't even have words.
I applaud the efforts of the coalition. I think their intentions are pure. And I think that their ideas have merit, but I'm having some logistical issues when I review it. I think there's a certain set of assumptions that this is a cure-all, and the problem with it is that depending on the extent of the overdose drives the amount of Narcan, the follow-up with it, and also the possible relapse within minutes after administration. It also considers the number of administrations to overcome the extent of the overdose. So when I hear about a vending machine, I see that as a finite, almost sterile approach to it. Whereas if we're going to distribute, I think much like Commissioner Vasquez said, there needs to be maybe a wider net spread with explanation on what to expect. Many times when we have someone coming out of an opiate-related overdose, the first thing they want to do is fight. Number one, because they're taking them out of their state, they're taking them out of their high. The other part is, too, even if you do get them out of the opiate-induced state, doesn't mean that they're not going to go right back into it, and you may no longer have enough product. So that's where I want to make sure 911 is not eliminated from this equation, that this is a cure-all. It is a great product. Has no real side effects. So even if you administer it not knowing it's an opioid overdose, you're not going to cause harm. It's an antagonist. So its job is to hit that specifically. But there's a ripple effect on everything you use with it. And depending where we place it will drive certain behaviors, and that's something we have to work on within our community. It's not simply coming up with a product that may or may not meet the requirements, but also hitting the behavioral aspects.
Okay, I do have a motion and a second to deny. If there's no further discussion, I'll call for the vote, please.
Aye.
Aye.
Jabor's aye.
Aye.
Number 10 passes 5-0, motion to deny.